Russian tank manufacturer Zavod, the country's largest tank manufacturer, has shown off a video of a T-90M Prorv tank equipped with the latest Arena M Active Protection System, APS. The video was shot in winter conditions and most likely soon, as Zavod announced its intention to integrate Arena M onto the T-90M only in late 2024. Arena M is an advanced active protection system, APS, developed in Russia to enhance the survivability of armored vehicles against modern anti-tank threats. Designed as an upgrade to the original Arena system, the Arena M incorporates new radar, improved countermeasures, and expanded compatibility with a variety of Russian main battle tanks and armored platforms. Unlike traditional passive armor that relies on thickness and composition to absorb or deflect incoming projectiles, active protection systems like Arena M detect, track, and intercept threats before they can reach the vehicle. This system is particularly focused on countering anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs, and other high-explosive anti-tank, heat, warheads that have become increasingly sophisticated and widespread on modern battlefields. The core of Arena M is a high-frequency Doppler radar that continuously scans the surrounding environment for incoming projectiles. This radar is designed to differentiate between genuine threats and non-threatening objects such as small debris, small arms fire, or environmental clutter. When the system detects an inbound missile or RPG, it calculates its trajectory in real time and determines the optimal point for interception. A set of protective countermeasures, positioned around the turret or hull of the tank, is then activated. These countermeasures are essentially small explosive charges that detonate in the path of the incoming projectile, creating a high-velocity fragmentation pattern that destroys or deflects the threat before impact. The entire process takes place within milliseconds, allowing Arena M to engage multiple threats in rapid succession. One of the key improvements of Arena M over its predecessors is its enhanced detection range and faster response time. The updated radar and computing systems allow the APS to engage threats launched from multiple directions, increasing its effectiveness in complex combat scenarios where adversaries may fire from elevated positions, urban environments, or in coordinated attacks. This marks a significant upgrade over earlier APS designs that were limited in their ability to handle simultaneous threats. In addition to its defensive capabilities, Arena M is engineered for greater compatibility with Russian armored vehicles. It has been tested and adapted for integration on the T-90M main battle tank and the T-80 BVM, two of the most modern tanks in the Russian arsenal. There have also been reports of plans to equip the Arena M system on heavier armored platforms such as the T-72B3M and even specialized vehicles like the TS-1A heavy flamethrower system. The modular nature of Arena M suggests that it could be adapted for future Russian tank designs or even potentially upgraded with new sensors and countermeasures as anti-tank weaponry continues to evolve. Despite its advanced capabilities, Arena M is not without its limitations and potential vulnerabilities. Like all active protection systems, its effectiveness is influenced by the angle and velocity of incoming threats. Some modern top attack missiles, which are designed to strike the upper armor of tanks, may bypass Arena M's defensive coverage if the system is not optimized for high-angle interceptions. In response to these challenges, Russia has been continuously refining the Arena M system and exploring potential upgrades to its software and countermeasure deployment strategy. Future iterations may incorporate multispectral detection capabilities, including infrared and optical sensors, to complement the existing radar and improve threat differentiation. Advances in hard-kill countermeasures could also lead to more powerful and directional interceptors, capable of neutralizing a wider range of threats, including top attack munitions. In addition to the Arena M active protection system, another APS with similar capabilities reportedly considered for integration on the T-90M is the Afghanit system. Originally developed for the next-generation T-14 Armada, Afghanit represents a more advanced and sophisticated approach to active defense, featuring a combination of radar-guided interception and electronic warfare countermeasures. Arena M, on the other hand, is optimized for intercepting anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs, and other shaped charge warheads. Afghanit also provides full 360-degree protection with limited capability to counter top attack munitions, whereas Arena M primarily defends against lateral and frontal threats. Another major advantage of Afghanit is its advanced software architecture, which enables integration with electronic warfare systems to disrupt the guidance mechanisms of incoming threats. This additional layer of defense gives Afghanit a broader defensive capability against modern anti-tank weapons that utilize sophisticated guidance systems. In contrast, Arena M operates on a more conventional principle, relying solely on radar detection and kinetic countermeasures without incorporating electronic disruption technologies. If Afghanit is fully integrated into the T-90M, it could significantly enhance the tank's survivability against the latest generation of Western anti-tank weapons, including Javelin, NLAW, and loitering munitions. However, the high cost and complexity of Afghanit could limit its widespread adoption, making Arena M the more practical and immediately available solution for Russia's armored forces. While both systems enhance the defensive capabilities of the T-90M, the choice between them reflects a balance between cutting-edge technology and battlefield practicality. As APS technology continues to advance globally, Arena M represents a significant step in Russia's efforts to maintain the survivability of its armored forces against the growing sophistication of anti-tank weaponry.